power plant based on nuclear energy or nuclear power plant. In the power plant based on nuclear energy, steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. In case of a thermal power plant, we use coal, whereas in case of a nuclear power plant, the energy released by the fission of nuclei of atom like uranium or plutonium is used to generate the steam of high temperature and high pressure. The meaning of the word fission is to break up. We will be seeing what is the meaning of nuclear fission. The energy in the steam rotates the turbine, which in turn drives the generator producing the electricity. If you see, the process remains the same. Source of energy moves the turbine, turbine is connected to the generator, moves the magnet and generate electricity. So in case of thermal power plant, we use coal. Here we are using uranium, plutonium or radioactive elements or atoms having very high atomic mass number and atomic number. So if you see the nuclear power plant flow chart, nuclear reactor for nuclear fission in which we are using fuel like uranium or plutonium, they heat and the water and creates steam for generated from water that moves the steam turbine, that moves the generator and that generate electricity. In the same way, the steam is again cooled with the help of a condenser and reused. Thus, the energy conversion over here is nuclear energy is converted into thermal energy is converted into kinetic energy of steam, kinetic energy of steam is converted into kinetic energy of turbine, and that kinetic energy in turbine is converted into electrical energy. Now, let us understand what do we mean by nuclear fission. We'll be learning it about it later on, but now just to give you a brief idea, there are certain elements who are having an atomic number more than 92, that is above uranium. If you remember when we learned about periodic table, we learned that above uranium. Now this uranium has a atomic mass of 235. Being so huge, they are mostly unstable. So when a neutron is bombarded on atom of uranium 235, bombarded means an atom of uranium 235 is hit with a neutron. It absorbs the neutron and gets converted into uranium 236. This uranium 236 is a very unstable element. So this being extremely unstable gets converted into barium and krypton, which are stable atom, by a process of nuclear fission. Fission, as I told you, means to break up. So that uranium 236 breaks up to give an atom of barium, an atom of krypton, and huge amount of energy is released along with 3 neutrons. Means one neutron gives rise to 3 neutrons, and the amount of energy given out is 200 MeV, which is a unit which basically stands for million electron volts or mega electron volts. The 3 neutrons generated in this process immediately goes and hits 3 more uranium 235 atom and goes on releasing more energy. The neutrons released in this reaction releases more energy through the fission of more uranium nuclei. This process of fission of uranium 235 continues and it is called as a chain reaction. Now, if it is left uncontrolled, it can lead to an explosion and we call that as uncontrolled chain reaction. Why? Because it is one neutron giving rise to 3 giving rise to 3. In no time, it becomes a huge explosion. So what happens in case of a nuclear reactor is we have lead which absorbs the extra neutron and only one single neutron is allowed to go and hit another uranium atom. This process is called as controlled chain reaction, and this results in the release of thermal energy which is used for electric energy generation. Here also you'll be seeing the schematic diagram is given. Here the schematic diagram of nuclear power plant is given. A nuclear power plant does not use any fossil fuel like coal. Therefore, there is no problems like air pollution or the resources getting over. uh, or the reserves of coal or fossil fuel getting over. Also, if sufficient nuclear fuel is available, this is a good source of electrical energy. But there are certain problems associated with nuclear power plant also. What are the problems? The products after fission of nuclear fuel are also radioactive and gives harmful radiation. These products are called as nuclear waste. How to dispose the nuclear waste safely is a big problem for scientists. We know that radioactivity or radioactive elements gives out radiations which are harmful for us. So nuclear waste is a big problem. Also, an accident in nuclear power plant can be very dangerous. This is because the accident may result in release of extremely harmful radiation. So they've given you a question down that if you look at the diagrams of thermal power plant and nuclear power plant, what are the similarities and what are the differences do you observe? The similarities that you see is both of them has a turbine, has a boiler, has a generator, has a cooling tower, has a condenser and a pump. But the difference is in case of thermal power plant, there are two towers, whereas in case of nuclear power plant, there is only one cooling tower. Also in nuclear power plant, there is a nuclear reactor, while thermal power plant does not have that. Power generation plant based on energy of natural gas. In this plant, the turbine is run by a gas at a very high temperature and pressure generated by the combustion or burning of natural gas. A flow chart showing various stages in the power generation plant based on natural gas energy is shown below. Compressor for pressurized air, combustion chamber, down there is a blank, you have to write down natural gas over there, that is the fuel that is or energy source that is used, gas turbine, generator and electrical energy. There are three main sections in this type of plant. Pressurized air is introduced into the combustion of chamber using a compressor. In the combustion chamber, the natural gas burns in presence of the air. The gas at very high temperature and pressure generated in this chamber runs the turbine. The turbine then drives the generator to produce electricity. So step by step transformation of energy can be seen as chemical energy in natural gas, kinetic energy generated due to the combustion of natural gas, kinetic energy in turbine and converting into or generating electrical energy. The efficiency of this type of power generation is higher than that of power generation plant based on coal. Also, since the natural gas does not contain sulfur, burning of natural gas results in less pollution as compared to burning of coal. The schematic diagram can be seen. Down they have shown you certain places where we have natural gas based power plants. In Andhra Pradesh, in Maharashtra, in Delhi as well as in again in Andhra Pradesh. What we have to remember that is that we need energy and in today's generation use of energy is unavoidable. But what we have to understand that how much energy to use, what problem is caused and which is the best type of energy resource that can be used. So in the next lecture we'll be learning about green energy. Thank you.